Your KRCG 13 Storm Vision Forecast with Zach Paul.
Well, we'll find a fairly mild night temperature-wise, upper 60s to low 70s here. And with the cloud cover overnight, that'll only allow temperatures to fall really into the mid-60s tomorrow morning. Maybe a couple spots, especially those valleys, lower 60s. Through around 8, 9 o'clock tonight, we'll find a couple spot storms capable of producing some heavy rainfall and a little bit of lightning. Overnight, those rain chances begin to taper off, and notice early tomorrow morning those spotty storms return. And here's that probability of precipitation. Again, through about 8 o'clock, 40% chance, a 20% chance for some of those showers overnight. Then early tomorrow morning, they begin ramping back up into that 30 to 40 percentile area, and that will continue, I think, at times for the day on your Friday. In the meantime, just a couple isolated showers and a few rumbles of thunder across the area. Most of us are going to stay dry tonight. In fact, most of us are going to stay dry until early on your Friday, but most of us, in fact, I think just about everybody's picked up a little bit of some light rain. Some of those totals, around 6/10 of an inch for Lynn, same total up for Higbee, Boonville, about 4/10, 3/4 of an inch or so for Versailles. The airport down around the lake picking up just under 1.5 inches. Here in the capital, we've picked up about 3/4 of an inch. 60s to the north as a warm front continues to lift across the area. We are finding some of the low to mid 70s to the south, 72 right now. Versailles, Dixon at 74 degrees. Overcast skies for the capital with a few peaks of some sunshine on our Scruggs lumber camera. 70 degrees currently with calm winds, and overnight we'll find those winds picking up out of the south, but it is going to be muggy for the next couple of days. Those showers from earlier today continue to race off to the northeast. We will find fairly quiet skies here this evening, as mentioned, through about sunset. Then once the sun sets, these storms are going to lose a little bit of their energy, so not a whole lot to worry about overnight, but maybe a couple isolated showers. So this front continues to lift through. That's going to feed in more moisture, which we're feeling already, and that will bring in warmer temperatures to close out the work week and into the weekend. The hour-by-hour forecast has us dry early tomorrow morning, but we will find, I think, a couple isolated showers becoming a little bit more scattered as we get into the afternoon. So for the first part of the day on Friday, overall a dry day. More rain expected for your Friday afternoon, then into your evening. Then overnight, Friday into Saturday, low rain chances. Should start your Saturday morning off on a dry note, and we should stay fairly dry through at least the first part of the day on Saturday before those rain showers return. More so Saturday afternoon and into the evening with a couple of those hit and miss showers and storms. Some of the storms over the weekend could be strong, especially on Saturday. The western half of the state, which does include Marshall over towards Sedalia and the Truman Lake area, could find some strong thunderstorms, 1 or 2 possibly becoming severe. On Sunday, that threat shifts a little bit more to the east. So on Sunday, we will find that threat for strong thunderstorms over the entire area here. Again, as we look at the next couple of days, showers and thunderstorms sticking around. Of course, a graduation weekend for a lot of you. 83 degrees on Saturday, 81 on Sunday. Saturday morning, Lincoln graduation, right now looking dry. Sunday evening for Jeff City graduation, looking like it could be a wet one. Of course, lots of graduations and graduation parties going on across the area. Cooler, drier early next week, more comfortable, lower 70s. The humidity goes away, but it is going to feel a lot more like summer. And as long as you've got sort of that humid atmosphere, it's just like those summertime, especially that late afternoon, those thunderstorms are going to start to bubble up, and that's what we're going to find for your Friday and Saturday.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thanks, Zach.